All right, good morning, Math 7 students. We're going to go through two Khan Academies. The first one is called Adding and Subtracting Negative Numbers. So when we are adding and subtracting negative numbers, one of the first things I do is, first of all, I make sure that every sign is a plus sign. So you can see a plus there, a plus here, and a plus here. I only like adding numbers. I don't like subtracting. So once we have that, then I can take my negative numbers, my -7 and my -4, put those together. I can then also take my positive numbers, the 2 and the 5, put those together. And when I do that, I get 2 plus 5 is 7, and -4 plus -7 is -11. So hopefully that makes sense where this comes from. Then, once it's in that thing, 7 plus -11, I just kind of ask myself, is the positive number bigger or is the negative number bigger? And depending on which one is bigger, how much bigger is it than the other one? So in this case, -11 is 4 bigger than +7. So my answer for this one just turns out to be -4. Hopefully that makes sense to you. Let's try another one. Okay, so next one here, we've got this problem here. Oh, do you see these subtraction signs right there? So I'm going to point those out to you here because I don't like subtraction. I do not like subtraction. This plus sign is perfect. So I'm going to rewrite this equation. And how we do that is by changing it to plus the opposite. So when I rewrite this equation, the -22 in the beginning stays the same. This becomes plus a -14, because right now it's minus a +14, so we're going to change it to plus a -14. And now it's minus -22. Well, what's the opposite of minus -22? It would be plus +22. And then I've got a plus 14 at the end. So now you'll notice in this equation, I've turned everything into addition. So it's much easier to add numbers now. So when I do this, my negative numbers are -22 and -14. My positive numbers are +22 and +14. Well, the -22 and the +22, they cancel each other. The -14 and the +14, they cancel each other. So altogether, my final answer is 0. Okay, let's do one final one for this Khan Academy. Again, we're in this situation. As you look at this, first thing is everything a plus. Yes, it is. Ooh, no, it's not. Ooh, no, it's not. Twice. So, first step, let's rewrite it. As I rewrite this, 4 plus -2, just like they had, we're going to change this minus a -3 into plus a +3. And then we're going to change this minus a +6 into plus a -6. Now, everything is an addition problem. We then can combine our 4. Let's do this here. We're going to combine our +4, our +3, and then we're going to combine our -2 and our -6. When we combine those together, I have a +7 and a -8. Again, the question becomes, which is bigger, the negative or the positive? And in this case, again, the negative is bigger than the positive by 1 spot. So our answer is -1. So hopefully that answers how to do adding and subtracting negative numbers. So now the next Khan, which is add and subtract finding the missing value. This one, in my opinion, is actually easier than the other one. So in this one, we're going what number plus -4 equals -1. So if I wanted to make -4 a smaller negative, I should add a positive. What positive number should I add to -4 to make it a -1? You guessed that right. It should be a +3. So we just want this negative number to be 1 bigger than this positive number. Let's try another one. Okay, so 2 plus some number equals -13. So we have a +2, and we need this negative number here to be 13 bigger than this positive number. What negative number is 13 bigger than that positive number? You guessed it, -15 is 13 bigger than -2. So in my estimation, this one is a much easier one. This one you will fly through. If you have any questions, please come and see me during class. Please come and see me during office hours, and we'll get through this together. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.